Many veterans think the VA loan is a one and done deal, but here is the truth. Your VA loan is a lifelong benefit that you can reuse. Now, today we're going to dive deep into how and when you can tap into this powerful tool more than once. Welcome to video 10, where we will be discussing using your VA loan multiple times. If you're returning for another video, thank you for coming back. If you're just joining us, welcome. Now, please make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you can easily find all the other videos that we have done, and so you can get caught up with this series that we're doing called VA Home Loan 101. Now, this video is going to show you how you can use your VA loan multiple times. Now, I will be doing a video in this series with how you can use what I'm teaching you today to build a multi-million-dollar real estate portfolio using what you've earned. Now, let's clear up a few things. First, the VA loan, it's not a one-time use benefit. This is a lifetime benefit that you have earned through your service. Now, let's say you bought a home in 2015 with a VA loan, and then you sold that home in 2020. You can absolutely use your VA home loan again in 2021 or anytime after that. There is no cap on how many times you can use the VA loan, as long as your entitlement is available and you still qualify financially. Now, here's where it gets even better. Let's say you didn't sell that home. Let's say you got PCS orders and you moved, but you wanted to keep it as a rental. In some cases, you can still use your VA loan again, even without selling the first home. This is where your remaining second tier entitlement comes in. Now, let's talk about how that entitlement works and how it can benefit you. Now, everyone who's eligible gets something called basic entitlement. Now, what basic entitlement is it's $36,000. But don't get too caught up in that number. Most of what happens that time in what really matters is what your full entitlement is, which allows you to borrow up to the conforming loan limit in your county with zero money down. Now, in most counties, the entitlement max for conforming loan limits is about $806,500 in 2025. So if you haven't used your entitlement yet, or if you've paid off your previous VA home loan, you have full entitlement again. But if you already used part of your entitlement and still own that home, your remaining entitlement is what's left. If there's enough of that left over, then you may be able to buy another home again using your VA loan. You'll just need to qualify with income, credit, and any down payment that may be required depending on how the numbers work out. Now, let's talk about something that blows a lot of people's minds. Now, you can hold two VA loans at the same time, and depending on how you do it, maybe three or four. Now, let's say you bought a home in Georgia with your VA loan. Then the military sends you to Texas. You decide to keep the Georgia house and rent it out. And now you want to buy a house here in Texas. As long as you meet the VA's guidelines and your remaining entitlement is enough, you can use the VA loan again for that second home. And you can do the same for the third and the fourth. Now, this is called using your second tier entitlement. You'll still need to meet credit standards, debt to income ratios, and the VA residual income requirements. But in some cases, if your remaining entitlement doesn't fully cover the new loan, you may need to put an additional amount down. But it's usually way less than if you're doing a conventional loan or an FHA loan where you had to put 3.5% down or 5% down. All right, so what if you want to restore your full entitlement? There are a few ways that you can do it. One's easy, one's okay, and one, well, good luck. So first, you can sell the home and pay off your VA loan. That automatically restores your full benefit. Two, you can refinance the VA loan into a conventional loan. That frees up your VA entitlement again. Or, this is the hard one, It's just time consuming. Or you can request a one-time restoration of entitlement even if you haven't sold that home. Now, this is a special exception that allows you to use your VA loan again, but it's a one and done deal. So be strategic with how you use it. Now, to restore your entitlement, you'll need to fill out a VA Form 26-1880 and send it in with your request. Or better yet, work with a VA experienced lender who can handle all that paperwork for you. You just sign it and then they take care of it. Now, here's the bottom line. You can absolutely use your VA home loan benefits more than one time. You can even have two VA loans or more at the same time if your situation allows it. But it all comes down to entitlement, income, and having a lender who understands the VA loan system and how it works. Now, if you're not sure just how much entitlement that you have left over, or maybe you just have some questions about buying a home again using your VA loan, put a message in the comments, and then I reply to all of my comments. I'm here to help you make the most of the benefits that we have earned, right? We're veterans or active duty military or qualify for a VA loan. We've earned it. Let's take advantage of it. And now if this video helped you, do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for more VA loan education, and leave a comment if you've used your VA loan more than once and if you plan to do it again, and maybe some benefits or some cons that you've kind of run into so that we can kind of work through some of those hiccups or repurpose some of those successes.